Another unit. There's 2 units here. This one's only a 2-unit fire. The one we looked at this morning, that was a 6-unit fire. This one's gonna go fast. There's the other unit on the other side. A little bit of framing, nothing too serious. Got some joists. Get an engineer's report. Meet with the inspectors. I don't know, probably half a dozen truss replacements. Full sheeting, new roof. Not too bad. Quick, easy in and out. Maybe 6 weeks, 8 weeks max. We'll be out of here. Nice little walk through to the second apartment. Paw Patrol. My kids love it too. That tub smoked. Old cast. No, it's just metal. It's not even cast. Water damage splits. Whole roof's coming off anyway.